Alright,
so what set do you want to try to use?
Well, let's try this set first.
This set here?
Yeah, this set right here. Alright.
Since it's SAE, I'll take this metric set back in the and put it away.
Alright. Well, as you can see, I now have the body off on blocks with a nice tarp put over top of it so nobody can see it or get rained on. And we've taken off, as you can see, steering box is off. A bunch of other stuff is missing. And of course, these links right here. Interesting thing, the bearings that attached the steering arm both there and there were powdered. The bearings on the inside, you know how they're the roller bearings? Well, these ones were crushed, which was fun. And so now we're going to attempt to take that engine and that transmission off. Well, as you can see, we got transmission and the engine apart, finally. So you take it apart, you got the 2 bolts at the top. You got some over here. Now, this one right here is your load bearing one. So leave that one for last. And then you got that little filler way down there. And this is pretty freaking cool. Now, son of a bitch sucked doing. Alright, we pull it out with this thing out with the truck. And it's off. Nice and muddy. And now we're going to try and get it over here. Like that. Oh, bob on a little bit. And there he goes. Alright, let's do this. Good idea. And you come back this way. You got about 3 feet.
Get a hole over the top where that hole's dug.
Yeah.
Because that is going to be a problem. So here's what the idea is.
Yep.
This is the strongest one of the 2.
Yeah. I'll try to get onto that. Alright.
I'm going to go every other one at first.
Alright, so got the engine underneath the carport now, off the truck. And as you can see, we spray painted one of the bolts sticking out there so we can mark it. And then we'll mark the crankshaft after that. And so I'm doing every other one so you can put at least equal pressure as you're taking them off. And there are these little star washer type deals.
That was not the same as the other one.
No, it's not. This one's pointed inwards instead of outwards, which is not what was on there. Let's see what was
And they're not tightened evenly either.
They're not?
No.
Oh, that's wonderful. So somebody has been on here before us.
Somebody's been in there. Well, remember, you got a 70, 70-year-old vehicle, and that clutch disc shouldn't have lasted that long.
No. And here you can see this is the lock washer, the original ones. They look kind of like the sun, and this little spikes go outwards. Make sure you stick your stuff in a bag. Alright, and this is really cool. Yeah. So, alright. Well, now as you can see, we got both the engine and the transmission and transfer case off. They're currently sitting over there somewhere. And we've gotten all the lug nuts off the wheels and just trying to pull them off. And we got what we think is probably self-washing hubs on there. So, try to figure this out.